Of course, you have to do that. Last
by Jose Rivero.
Players are feeling training.
I heard about this.
Could that be the reason?
We're underway at the old Peterborough, but the Pirates now trying to make a follow. There was almost a chance for evidence by Hopa, and that's a great save from Chipazeze. First contribution by the Zimbabwean.
Well taken shots. Makaleni placing it, and when you have a player from that distance, look at the presence of mind, the anticipation.
A touch in there as well from Wonderboy Makubu Makoni. It's a nice ball on the turn. Not composed enough of Fafetini Baloi. It's a very, very good ball played in towards the 31-year-old midfielder.
Good football. Opening Pirates defense, playing an inviting cross, creating space and
the organisation of Orlando Pirates looking magnificent. Beautiful Roy, and lovely space for Mofokeng. Somebody take responsibility, Mofokeng. Not sure if he was looking for somebody to pass to. Surely his only option was a shot.
He thought he has an extra second with the touch that he had, because there is no extra second in the box. You've got to be clinical, you've got to be decisive.
And Pirates are away here. Oh, that is going to be trouble for Lehlonolo and Makoli. Caught us down and writhing in agony. Pirates want decisive action taken by Skumbuso Carter. It was not a dog-so type of situation. It was much more of a...
He's looking for a different card.
No, no.
He's definitely he had taken out the yellow.
Is he going to go red here? Straight red? Well, that surprises me. I didn't think it was a straight red offence, to be honest.
He had taken out the yellow, I thought. I saw a yellow, and then he put it back.
He did take out a yellow.
Now
I think he's changed his mind back. He's changed his mind back. Oh, no, he hasn't.
That's why I was saying to you.
Well, he had yellow and red cards. Which card was he going to play eventually?
I saw that.
Dapo gets a yellow.
Dapo gets a yellow.
Goals yet. Down to 10 men. Magesi, their first corner kick. Header from Makubu. Good save, Chinese. Really good save.
Big let off. Orlando Pirates. Major, big let off. They went to sleep, to La La Land, and almost got punished for that. Look at this. It's a free header.
Fasani, the guilty party. I don't think it was.
No, I didn't think it was. We'll have a look.
The ball has been taken quickly for Orlando Pirates. Still a chance. Spin of the man at the goal. Mofokeng scores.
Martini, Lise Gazini, it's in the blood. It's the Betway Premiership. It is the team that's currently sitting in position 2, who were battling to get it right in terms of scoring goals, and it needed something special to beat this man. I think he qualifies to be nicknamed man of the match because of the number of men of the matches that he...
That's lovely work done by Fafetini Baloi. Rodemeyer was there, hand in there. There's the big hand in there. Penalty! Magesi on the stroke of half-time.
Izinto ziyenzakala. Dilo diyadiragala.
Makawula's claiming a shoulder. Referee says corner. Dramatic moment.
Yes.
Right on the stroke. As you say, how does this now change the half-time chat for both Papi Zotwani and Jose Rivero? Wonderboy Makubu. Little hesitation. Keep it the wrong way. Past the post. Ouch. The fans from Pirates celebrate en masse around the stadium. That is devastating for Magesi.
Remember I spoke about the eye contact? Because he's moving his eyes all over the place. There's just so much that's happening. It's a psychology, the whole thing.
He gets the wrong way.
He gets the wrong way. And he pulls it wide. Not even so close.
Royan is away, and Cotta is away as well. Slides up one challenge, and Cotta, the pullback to Van Royan. He might have let the ball slide under his feet to Maswangani. That Orlando Pirates can easily claim this one. Lovely little slider through to Nkota. Radio Man was the target. Mashiko. Nkata. That's into the side netting. They are creating opportunities, and it's getting better and better. Nkota missing the opportunity on that occasion.
I think they could do more. For me, there's a slight casualness in the approach.
According to plan for Orlando Pirates, might not be as prolific as Chipazeze chips away at the potential attack from Orlando Pirates. Yeah, it might not be as prolific as we saw on Tuesday, and when, as I say, we would find it difficult to replicate that situation.
In swing, always tricky to deal with.
For the table, above Polokwane City, Stellenbosch and SuperSport United. Now a chance for Magesi. Oh, needs a top save from Sipho Chaine to keep a clean sheet for the Buccaneers. That was an anxious one. Well, these are the problems of playing the side of football they're playing, Pirates.
This is too complacent for me in their approach to this game. They're not as ruthless as we saw when they scored the 8 goals that they scored. Too much space, time they're giving on the opponent. They should have the warning signs because they considered the penalty immediately after they scored, Pirates.
He has made a contribution. He's not anywhere near the finished product. Neither, for that matter, is Mofokeng. But you're 20 years old and you're playing in a side that is second in the better sense of anticipation for what the Angolan has to offer. Lovely little slide. Maswangani pulls the trigger.
Good switching of play. Dancing on the ball. Quick thinking. It's Chipazeze. Good block. Good positioning there in anticipation. This is pure experience unfolding. He wanted to catch it.
Chance for Gilberto. Straight at Chipazeze. 5 minutes and stoppage time remaining. Azolo Topeni is going to come on for Cabello Clemini. Yeah, a bit of a reserved performance from Cabello Clemini today. And earn the difference in someone's life next year. And improve whatever you can. Radio Pani with Chipazeze. Have a happy new year on by referee Gaza. Gilberto trying to step over. Still Gilberto. Oh, yeah.
Ay, my bro. Was it?